I'm a nigga. I'm a nigga. Welcome back, YouTube. Back with another video. Now look at this. We're on the camera now. So as you can see, it's much clearer. Much, you know what I'm saying? Way better than the phone one. But anyways, let me go back to the video. All right. I came back. I just cut it. So I'm gonna put this shit on. The thing is, I'm thinking, can I connect to my monitor or does it have to go to my PC stuff? Yeah, man. As you can see, I got this is the setup, man. It's my background. The Climber manga. Never even read it, but I just like the background. But yeah, this is the setup. I got the, you know, I have to get it. My man's Goku, Vegeta. What the fuck up, nigga? Shit. Oh, I'm retarded. Trunks, Vegeta. You know what I'm saying? With Dragon Ball. I always love that. Let's open this shit. So, how am I gonna? All right, bro. Unboxing time. I'm gonna open this shit. All right. Open sideways. It's weird. Oh shoot, I need a knife, 1 sec. That is the webcam right there. Let me fix this, so that's the webcam right there. All right, so it should be in focus now. So as you can see, from the side, down. Yeah, no, it's a decent webcam. So I'm just gonna hang it right here on my monitor. I don't know how I'm gonna even get you guys to see that, but there's instructions. There actually is instruction on the box too. I don't know if you can see it there, but yeah, let's see this. Okay, so you take this out. Oh, so this folds right here. So it's like that, and then kind of just stick it to the back of your monitor type shit, you know. So yeah, so nothing crazy. I don't know if that's magnetic or what. Oh, right there, that's how it would be essentially on the monitor. So let's go. I generally forgot how much this was, but I'm gonna put it right here so y'all can see. But anyways, okay, that's cool. So you know what I also got? I got a Split X. You know, you guys can take that promo code because I don't need it, you know what I'm saying? So you know what? Y'all can see that? Holy. How do I make it so it can focus? Focus! There you go. I think y'all can see that. That's the promo code. Y'all can take it. I don't really need it. But yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's put this webcam on. So I do want to say it is USB. I think it's a lightning USB A, type A. I think this is what it's called. I'm not really sure, but I wish it was low-key USB-C, but I don't got the money for it, bro. If you look at the prices are insane. So it's like, yeah. I know this is a weird ass angle, but trust me, if I had the money to change it, I would change it, but so anyways, I'm gonna install the camera now. I mean, not the camera, the freaking webcam. Connect the wire down to my PC and get to the back. Holy moly! You can actually probably see if I put it down here. So that's my PC. But I'm gonna get to the back right there. Just give me a sec. See. Okay, I have a funny joke. So you know what I'm saying? You see me, I'm a nigga, right? When you see me now, I'm a nigga. So see, I'm a nigga. I'm a nigga. And if I go even deeper, I'm a nigga. Anyways, I shouldn't be joking like that. Anyways, let me find, where did I put it? I lost the, oh, there it is. Alright. Okay. Oh, where is the bitch? Okay, it's bare USB cables here, so it's actually not much of a problem. Boom. I've officially connected the webcam. And I'm gonna see if I can find it. I'm gonna see if I can find it on the PC screen. Holy crap, this angle's so bad. There we go. I see if I find it on the PC screen right now. Let's do that. Alright, that's the beauty right there. So I'm just gonna log into my go into all of these. Look at my desk, bro. Just cause remember these headphones, bro? That was a funny time. I still have them. I will get rid of these, but obviously, you know what's going on in the world right now. That's the reason why I can't get my headphones. So let me just do my password here. Log in. It also comes. I don't think it comes with a own mic, but either way, that's us right there. The hell is that? All right, cool. Yeah. So that's it right there. Now we're gonna test and see if this works. And chat, after configuring the camera, everything, there we are. That is what it looks like. I look like a retard, but anyways, you can't even see me, bro. And this is what it looks like. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. That's the webcam. You can see it's right there. Let me turn on the light actually real quick. That's what it looks like up there. And then yeah. Oh, you can't even see that. One sec. Turn that on. Yeah, no, it's pretty cool. It has like that ring light. Shit's pretty sick, honestly. But yeah, other than that, I gotta get some lights. Cause look at this. The second, just look at this. The second I take off this white screen, I'm gonna disappear. Holy moly, you can't even see me. Can't even see anything. You just see my teeth. But anyways, let me put this back on. Holy moly. There you go. And now, yeah, so other than that, chat, if you successfully configured the webcam,